Hello everyone, welcome along to Rathbone Manor. I just thought you guys might like to see an update on our Hotpoint washing machine. This will be 3 years later. So what I'll do is I'll just get this lot out of here and then I'll show you what's been going on with the washing machine for the last 3 years. Okay then, so we had this new machine here delivered to the house on the 9th of February 2020, just before COVID hit, and it was a replacement for our previous machine which went wrong. You can see just here, here's the link to the delivery day of this machine when it was brand new. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to take you through the pros and cons of this machine, what's good about it, what's not so good about it at the moment, and yeah, let's just get into the video and have a look at it then, guys. This machine has seen 3 years of real world usage, so it is a little bit grubby in places. As you can see just here on the door, all this is worn away, a lot of it is worn away, so we have to refer to the manual, which we keep in the cupboard up there. Moving along, the switch is still right. These all work quite nicely, as they should do. All the switches work fine, even though this temperature one has worn away because it's used quite a lot. It still powers on, and well, yeah, it's because we used it yesterday, but as you can see it works okay. Then you can toggle up and down the temperatures. So there we go, we've got different spin speeds. And we've got the hours delay as well, that still works. We don't use the key lock, we don't use the extra rinse, nor do we use extra touch either, whatever that's all about. But it's been a very reliable machine, to be honest with you. We do have 1 or 2 issues with it internally. The drum is still nice and clean, there's nothing wrong with it, it doesn't make any noises when it's working. The seal around the door is still okay and in good condition, doesn't let any water leak anywhere. It's all good. We did have an issue with the dispenser drawer here. It has a little rail along here that this little dispenser tray actually sits on, and this started to split just here. This bit here split and came away from the door here, and as you can see I had to put some Araldite along here and underneath too to stop it from parting company, because the little dispenser tray wasn't fitting in here properly and was quite literally flapping around, not being held properly at all, and the little door wouldn't shut properly either, so we weren't too happy about that at all really. So as I say, I had to glue that up and sort that one out. So that's one little issue we've had. The other little issues are on the side of the machine down here. As you can probably see, we have a problem with some considerable rusting going on here. That's quite a lot of rusting on this corner here, where the water, I guess where the water comes from the drawer here, and there's obviously spilling over and going down the side, so this is all quite badly rusted down here. And we've also got the same problem down the bottom here too. This whole corner is corroding away quite badly. As you can see, it's bubbling away there, and it's gone right around the corner too, to just here somewhere. In fact, you can hear it. Hear that? That's the rust underneath the paint. So we're not too happy about that either. But then again, as I say, the machine is 3 years old, and it's used on quite a regular basis too. I would say usage for the machine is probably 2 or 3 times, maybe 4 times a week, with quite a load in there. And as I say, this is on every week since we've had it. So yeah, I mean, you know, this kind of rust, I don't think we've ever seen it before on any machine we've had rusting on the corners like this. So we're not that happy about it, to be honest with you. We do actually have also behind me a Beko tumble dryer 2. That's not too bad. I don't think Mrs Rathbone would replace it with another Beko, to be honest with you, but it seems to be quite reliable and it does the job quite nicely. And we also have just here our little Bosch dishwasher. This is like a small one, it's not a full size one like the washing machine and the tumble dryer. Again, this is quite nice. It's been very reliable, and I think Mrs Rathbone is thinking about replacing the Hotpoint just there with a Bosch washing machine. Unless, of course, Hotpoint, you're watching this and you wish to send us a replacement machine that we can test over the next 3 years for you. If you want, we don't mind that at all, guys. Thank you. The other thing we've had in the house recently is this Beko oven. This is a little small electric oven here. Again, we've not had it that long, and I don't think Mrs Rathbone is all that impressed with it either, so we won't be buying another Beko cooker either. This has got a few issues on it. Look, this little panel here is rusting quite badly in places, so we're not happy about that either, really. But just to sum up with the Hotpoint here, for the 3 years we've had it, it's been very reliable. It does a good wash. It's very good at washing things. I say we have the few issues of the little rail here breaking off in the drawer. Had to fix that. We've got problems with rusting on the corners here. Other than that, it's quite a nice machine. It's stayed relatively clean in this real world setting, guys. And you know, we've got a few issues of markings wearing off the buttons here where we use quite a lot. The switch is okay, runs all right, programs run all right. I've got an idea it may alter the program timing to suit whatever load we got in there. I'm pretty sure I've seen that happen before. I've been in here and it showed half an hour left on here, and then about 10 minutes later it says finished. So I think it can actually work out, you know, how long it should take to wash things, depending on the load and whatever it's got going on inside it. But it's been quite a reliable machine, as I say, apart from the rust and the little rail breaking up here as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at the machine, guys. And as I say, we have had 3 years of real world use out of it. Not been too bad at all. Quite reliable. As I say, just a few issues with it, but other than that, it's been quite a good machine. As I say, I don't think Mrs Rathbone will be replacing it with another Hotpoint. I think she wants to go with a Bosch, like our dishwasher here. But yeah, other than a few little issues we've had with it, it's been quite reliable. It seems to be fairly well made, to be honest with you. It's fairly solid. It doesn't wander about the kitchen when it's working. It's nice and solid and well made. But other than that, there you go, guys. Please let me know down in the comments if you've bought one of these, if you've recently got one, or please let me know what issues you've had with yours, because I'll be quite interested to find out. Keep an eye on the channel. Sometime in the future we will be replacing this, and I will be making a video of our new machine when it comes in. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Take a look at the video. Take a look at the washing machine too. And I'll catch you back here in Rathbone Manor for another video fairly shortly then. See you later, everyone.